Unless you people bring out Mazi NnamdiKanu, in Nigeria we never better again. People for inside street don't talk come outside though. No be if you see wetin they talk, they say that anything wey Nigeria like make they do. Unless they leave Mazi NnamdiKanu, say nothing go well for Nigeria. Just like wetin happen between the Israelites and Egypt. Pharaoh and the Israelites. Now wetin they say go happen o. One don come outside again come talk another thing. He say that Nigeria no go fit move forward. Say make dem expect more things go dey happen for inside Nigeria as e take talk am. So I'm going to play you the video. Welcome back to News Info. Let us watch this video. No need to talk. I want make you use your own ear, hear am before we come back. You know. Can't talk more.
Forget what they're supposed to. Direct their player, direct their request. They're holding down the gun for no reason. Nobody says about that. They may have one bag of tray of rice that you can use compare NnamdiKanu's finger. Tell me the whole stores warehouse in Nigeria, food stores in Nigeria that you can use compare NnamdiKanu's life. The man that came to betterment of Nigeria. Not even only Biafra, it comes to betterment, including everybody. But both Africans, you want to liberate everybody from bondage of hardship. When those things you get freedom, rice will be surplus to you. When you get freedom, bag of cement, we can use leg, kick cement. We get freedom. You can get any motor of your choice, not even to enter public transport. That's what freedom brings all about. Then they will build hospital, paint hospital. But inside the hospital, you cannot see paracetamol inside the hospital, government hospital. I'm living witness. Me and my family are living witness. The hospital and the government made inside there, you cannot see paracetamol. Even though you see anyone, you must use your money, buy it, but they take free medical hospital care. When does it done in abroad? When is it done in other countries? Understand? Nigeria is full of camouflage. So those people have to go direct to the point. Hit that point. Yeah, leave for footballer, carry hammer, knock him for the head. Then
give us your reaction.
Oh man, the country now, if you are not red, red past red self. Because even our National Assembly self, nothing come out. They only know their own pockets. They have me.
But Igbos comes out rejoicing that no Igbo man should protest because they want people. This is going to come out. Things are going to turn up this way.
Make them ready for the north to do the protest. We will there to watch them. Because we don't suffer well. You hear me? We don't suffer well.
What can we do as citizens to hold this government accountable? Because they make some promises during the elections. What can we do? People say maybe we protest and military something to take over.
If the military could take over, it's not going to be possible because we do for democracy. You hear me?
Yes.
So right now, I be like this now. I think we know the first time we make people be good, but let people be not things, but they're good for us more. But that boarding now, I be telling you that I can't scatter everywhere.
The president should be impeached because of his incompetence.
Nobody will be impeached now. You know, all of us know. You say when impeached now, nothing come out. So now, as they do protest now, they say Moku no do protest. Make them themselves do the protest.
Maybe not announced.
They are making them do it themselves. Make them know what thing they be for. Because who they are, they watch them.
What will be the thing where needs immediate to be addressed now in Nigeria? Attention.
Because for me now, I don't know how we take do a but for the first day we Tinubu come out that first subsidy. That's the problem of this country now. Now dollar now they go to what they got 2,000. We now there now. I told you several work they come, no work, nothing. We don't see work, we don't do the work, we the manager of small. So now the way they got to them now. If you say, well, is they going to impeach the president now? No way, because nobody want to talk. National Assembly, all over the stamp. Push and start. That is the So now, they got to be now. So anyone want to move and things like that. Until God will say, God give us the best fit solve our problem. Things like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, young man, take a good look at me very well. Look at me very well from head to toe. Am I supposed to be in this condition? Why we have everything it takes for everyone to be okay? Look at how I am. stealing working mechanics. Yet that mechanic work is not coming. Eventually, that you see me doing bad thing now, people will be complaining, saying that bring him, kill him, do him that, do him that. But I learned work for 6 years, and that work now cannot put food in my table. Why? Bad government. See, what am I saying? If anybody have solution to this, let the people start doing something, because worst thing is going to start happening. I'm telling you the gospel truth. And if you see any youth or anybody that is doing any bad thing, you shouldn't be doing him anything, because we have everything that it takes to this country to be fine and suit everybody. So what am I saying? Many things will be happening now. Many things will be, even if it have not started happening, no, things will be happening now. Very bad things will be happening now. So let nobody be surprised or blame anybody. Look at me very well, as healthy as I am. If I stay in a war front, I will do something. So let them do something now. It's not late. It's not too late.
To the federal government. Thank you so much. Bye.
We don't need a father in this country where blood like this to come and rule us instead of a young man. A grandfather. Thank you, my brother. A grandfather. So we need a young man that maybe can do something. Understand? This country belongs to youth. They're supposed to at least a man of 50, 60 years. So my brother, what you supposed to do in this country? Either impeachment of Buhari and Trimbu. If you don't want to change his process, simple thing, simple, amicably. Other countries are doing that, my brother. Our own is not the first. So that's my own opinion. And again, if you don't want to come out in that seat, my brother, people should remain. Those people that are doing the protest, they should remain in protest until one thing happens. And again, in this country, yes, they say we have two different worship, Christian and Muslim. Now, we Christian, because I'm a child of God, I'm a son of Jesus Christ. I want to ask, we Christian, why we Christian are not doing something in unity or in mass, even to fight for something? Was the Muslim, they rule us in this country, and the way they are ruling us, my brother, I not like them. That is a time, a year that I travel to a village to come back again, no money for fuel. They say they increase fuel. The same this Nigeria. Nigeria is a place where somebody can come give you hope, say things go better, things go better. For how long will things go better, my brother? Instead of that, let's share the country. Because my prophet, NnamdiKanu, that prophet, that young guy, that man, go bring, they are in prison. Except if they bring that man in this country, ask him, or God, what is the Nigeria can never better. I'm a servant of God. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
The Christian Muslim are ruling. The man did not even show concern to Christian, because in the administration where they killed that Imo State woman, Bridget, where there was some people cut off in here.
Yes, my wonderful people. Abeg, may you try to share this video so that people go dey know wetin dey happen for inside the country. Because as they waka comot go see food chop, so many people dey wey they never see even to chop. Share the video so that more people go come inside this our channel, come know wetin dey go on. And I want make you let us know what you think for inside comment section. Do you agree with wetin these people talk, or you get your own to contribute? But please don't forget to drop your own comment immediately, because we dey here, we go dey bring you updates every time. Make sure say you dey subscribe for this channel, because if you subscribe, you put your notification bell, so that anytime wey we upload, you go be the first person wey go dey get the update. Na so e dey be o. So that, remember, say that information na be the key. That's why we dey here. They bring the update to you. Okay, my people, we will see you for the next update.